This is a certified pre-owned 2009 Ford F-150. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 5.4-liter V8, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, power adjustable driver pedals, heated seats, speed-sensitive volume controls, commercial-free satellite radio, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: traction control and stability control systems, air conditioning, cruise control, automatic locking wheel hubs, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, fog lamps, 12-volt power outlets, an anti-lock braking system, a folding rear seat, and this vehicle has less than 18,000 miles. The Ford Pre-Owned Certification, a 172-point inspection and reconditioning process, a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty, and a 12-month, 12,000-mile comprehensive limited warranty, plus Ford Motor Company's 24-hour roadside assistance program. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Rhinebeck Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 3667 Route 9G in Rhinebeck.